Oh yeah, oh yeah. May dumating na naman. Ano to? Oh yeah. Gagawa kami ng robotic arm. Hello mga katropa, ayos ba tayo dyan? Ako, ayos lang ako dito sa San Diego. Ngayong araw na to, uumpisahan ko ang project namin ni Perrin na robotic arm. Naisip ko na gawin namin to kasi, well, nabanggit niya kasi sa akin na meron siyang robotics class sa 6th grade. So naisip ko, ba't hindi ko siya ibili nung yung mga elementary level na mga robots gano'n. And then bubuuin namin. Meron siyang matututunan doon for sure. So eto ang ginagawa namin ngayon. Naisip ko na assembling ko muna at patatakbuhin ko, and then pagka napatakbo ko na, ipapa-disassemble ko kay Ferrin, and then re-reassemble niya uli, and then patatakbuhin niya. So here we go. Nakikita nyo ngayon sa video na to yung mga kulay blue na mga metal plates. Yan po yung base plates, at yung kulay itim na base plate, kasama po yan ng plate, yung pinakailalim ng base plate. I think building this robotic arm is gonna be fairly easy. Merong available na video sa YouTube kung papaano assembly ng tama yung robotic arm. This robotic arm is called the High Wonder Lee Arm. Dalawang company ang gumagawa nitong robotic arm na to, pero ito ang binili ko yung High Wonder kasi yun yung available. So all I have to do is watch the video, and as I go along, I will assemble the robotic arm. So one of the first things I do when I'm assembling something is I check out all the available screws that were in the package, and figuring out how it will be used in the project. Most of the screws are very small, they're tiny, so I have to be careful when I'm assembling it, making sure that I don't drop them or lose them while I'm assembling them. I'm laying down one of my shirts on the table para kapag nag-a-assemble ako, kung meron mang babagsak na mga screws, madali ko siyang makikita, o kaya hindi siya tatalbog o gano'n. So yeah. You're probably wondering what this is. This is an aluminum stock with some embedded magnets in them, about 4 of them. At ginagamit ko siya na panghawak ng mga screws para kung halimbawa meron akong tinanggal na screw, ilalagay ko siya doon, magnetic siya, so hindi siya mag babagsak kung saan. Doon lang siya sa sa aluminum magnet. Ika nga. Let's continue with the video tutorial now. I thought it'd be a good idea to separate all the screws according to their sizes. That way it'll be easier for me to grab one of them when I'm ready to use them. So this is what I have so far for the base of the robotic arm. As you can see, it can turn, and then this is the plate that holds the motor or servo that will turn that base. Ayan, buo na. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ko na i-record lahat yung lahat ng procedures kasi naglolo ko tong camera ko palaging biglang namamatay siya. So, ito na ngayon yung finished na robotic arm. Nakakabit na rin yung controller saka yung receiver. At yan. Yeah. Time to turn it on now. Okay mga katropa, turn on na natin. See, there are 3 ways of controlling this robotic arm. First, with this wireless remote control that was included in the whole package. You can also control this robotic arm with your smartphone. And the third is the laptop, which I will try to do later. For now, let me show you how this is controlled by this remote control, wireless remote. Let's turn this on. Okay. Then I turn on the controller. Okay, it's linked up already. Very quick. This is I believe Bluetooth. It's either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I think it's with this phone. I believe this is using Bluetooth. This is using Wi-Fi, I think. Okay, check this out. Yeah. Check this out. It's just like your regular toy, you know. Oop. Let's watch it. Pick up this. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, now let's try using my cell phone. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on again. Ooh, what was that? Let's see. Okay, now watch this. This is the program for it. It's called Liarm. Liarm. Okay, it's connected now. See, it's blue. Watch when I push this red button. I love that. This is pretty cool. So there, now I'm controlling the robotic arm with my Android. It's got some strength though. It can do some push-ups.